I said last week that China hawks around Trump are on the ascendancy, while China doves like Elon Musk are on their back foot. Coincidence or not, we heard this week that Elon Musk could be soon on his way out. It was widely reported that Trump informed his close circle that Elon will be leaving soon. I said last week that if there's a grand strategy behind the seeming chaos of the Trump presidency, all signs are pointing to the containment of China. I don't know if Musk's pending departure has to do with Trump's China policy, but the biggest takeaway for me from what Trump unveiled on his Liberation Day is that his entire trade war may be ultimately directed at China. Trump's first trade war was not a success. This is evidenced by the fact that since 2019, exports as a share of US GDP have fallen, while imports have increased. What's more, China's share of global trade is higher now than at the start of Trump's first trade war. If Trump's first trade war failed, it was because Chinese companies were able to circumvent his tariffs by relocating their supply chains elsewhere. They were able to continue to export to the US via backdoors such as Mexico, Vietnam, Thailand, and Indonesia. Trump's new trade war is designed to close these backdoors, to leave Chinese firms with no place to hide. In Trump's new trade war, Vietnam will be hit by a reciprocal tariff of 46%, Thailand of 36%, and Indonesia of 32%. If Mexico has been spared from Trump's reciprocal tariff, my guess is that it has a lot to do with the fact that Mexico has already agreed to adopt the same high US tariffs on Chinese imports. Then Trump hit China with a tariff of 34%, on top of the 20% that was imposed 2 weeks ago. That's a combined tariff of 54%. With a tariff of 54% and an average profit margin of 5%, it is difficult to see how Chinese manufacturers can make any profit exporting to the US. The message cannot be any clearer. Trump has decided to close the access of Chinese manufactured goods to the US completely. 54% is a death sentence.